Hi, we are in week 5, and so for this week we will be talking about writing goals and objectives. So if you click on week 5, you'll see we're reading chapter 8 in the Oliva text, and then you will be writing 3 to 10 goal statements or essential questions. I said or because some of you may be writing in the more traditional model, the curriculum goals, while others of you are using the Understanding by Design, which means you'll be writing essential questions. You also have a discussion board post, and you will be identifying the priority standards and sequencing your units. And those units are the units that you're using for the final project. The next thing in Canvas is a PowerPoint or a Google Slides presentation that you can read through that just tells you what I mean by priority standards, and you can just click through it and read the notes so that you can see what I'm asking you to do. The pacing calendar is basically what you're going to do to sequence the units. And then your discussion board 4, describe how you have been involved in planning at what levels. So remember, we have the classroom level where the teacher is enacting the curriculum, the hidden and the null, as well as the stated curriculum. There's the school level, the district level, the state level, and national levels. And how do you handle prioritization and validation? So those come from chapter 8. Make sure that you are talking about that in the way that chapter 8 is asking you to. How do you balance your local concerns with the national standards? And you will post by Sunday and read at least 2 classmates to respond to theirs Tuesday. And then you have a second assignment. So you will also be uploading your curriculum goals or essential questions. So another PowerPoint for you to look at. Resources if you're writing essential questions. Resources if you're writing curriculum goals. And then where you will turn it in. So that's it for this week.